Hi, today we are going to discuss about Node.js. Basically, we are going to use a Node.js. Node.js is an open source cross-platform runtime environment that allows developers to execute JavaScript code outside of a web browser. Basically, if you are going to consider the JavaScript, you can able to refer my playlist JavaScript. In JavaScript code is a client-side code. Basically, it is going to execute within the browser. Here, it is going to execute outside of a web browser. It means we are going to use a server-side programming. It is particularly well suited for building server-side and networking applications. JavaScript runtime. It uses V8 JavaScript engine developed by Google, which compiles JavaScript directly to machine code for fast execution. Asynchronous and event driven. Node.js is designed to be non-blocking and event driven, which means it can able to handle multiple connections simultaneously without being tied up by a single process. This makes it high efficient for IO heavy applications. Basically, in event driven programming, in Node.js, it uses a threads rather than process. Thread is a lightweight application, whereas process is a heavyweight applications, where if you are going to work in the client and server environment, at the time it is going to process the request, so that if it is a lightweight, it can able to process the request faster manner. Next one, Node Package Manager. Basically, Node.js comes with a vast library of modules and packages available through Node Packager Manager, which simplifies the process of managing dependencies in your applications. Basically, it comes with the Node Package Manager, which is used to build your applications which is already defined in your library. Next, full stack development. With Node.js, developers can use JavaScript for both client side and server side programming. In previously, we have seen only client side applications, and where you can able to deploy the server side programming, where you will be sending the request to the server and server is going to send the response to the client, which allows more unified development experience across the entire stack. Use cases. It is commonly used for building web servers. APIs real-time applications like chat applications and other kind of networking tools are supported. Community and ecosystem. Node.js community is a large and active, offering numerous resources, frameworks like Express.js and tools to help developers create applications more effectively. If you want to use a React or Express, this particular Node.js should be installed in your system. Open source. Open source means it is a free, and you can able to use this particular open source without paying any money. Next, scalable. It is a scalable. Developers can implement both horizontal scaling. You can able to have a horizontal scaling and vertical scaling. So you can able to add more resources like CPU and RAM. For example, in cloud computing, if you are going to see, so you can able to pay per as you go. If your CPU is not enough and you can able to get more CPU capacity and RAM capacity, you can able to increase. So that kind it is beneficial for the applications that expect high traffic. For example, Amazon is going to perform Big Million Days and the Great Indian Festival of Flipkart. Whenever it is going on, at that time you can able to increase. So based upon the necessity, you can able to increase the resources. Unit testing support. Basically, if you want to build project, after building a project before delivery to the customer, so testing should be performed. In order to do that one, we are having a different frameworks like Mocha, Jest or Jasmine, which are already in the packages. These particular things are used to support the unit testing. You can able to test your application before delivering the product to the client. Built-in APIs. Node.js features a wide range of built-in application programming interfaces that simplify the process of creating different type of server and applications. These include APIs for HTTP file system access, stream handling, and more, making easier for developers to build server-side functionalities. High performance. Node.js is known for high performance because you are using a non-blocking IO operations. So it uses a Google V8 JavaScript engine to execute JavaScript code quickly and efficiently, enabling applications to handle multiple connections with a minimal overhead. It can able to balance the load, whatever the simultaneous requests are coming from the multiple clients by using the Google V8 JavaScript engine. You can able to execute the code in the faster manner. JavaScript language support. Although Node.js primarily uses JavaScript, it can able to support other scripting languages through various tools and frameworks. For example, developers can use TypeScript, which is a superscript of JavaScript, to gain static typing benefits, or transpile languages like a CoffeeScript into JavaScript to take advantages of a different syntax and features. Rapid development. Node.js enables rapid application development due to its event-driven architecture and non-blocking nature. It allows developers to create scalable applications quickly. The extensive library of modules are available through NPM. It also accelerates the development process by providing pre-built-in functionalities that can be easily integrated. It means you can able to easily integrated whatever the packages are necessary for your project. You can able to use the event driven architecture based upon the events performed by the user. You can able to navigate from one page to another page, or you can able to navigate to the database, and you can able to retrieve the data. So these are the certain kind of library function modules are available where you can able to interact with the other languages also. Next, procedure how to install the Node.js. Basically, you can able to go to the URL which is mentioned, and you can able to download the Node.js. Let us see how to install the Node.js application. Here you can able to type Node.js, and here you are redirected to the download page. Now here it is going to show the different things. So Windows, so if you are using a Windows, you can able to click. So here itself you are having a Windows installer MSI. If you are going to click this one, it will be taking time to download. Here it is going to download the software. So before that we will see the other things, how you are going to install this particular thing. So first one, you are going to install the 64-bit version. So you can able to check the Node.js. So basically it will be installing 64-bit only. So click on the link, run the installer, follow the prompts. So here if you are going to see, so make sure that option to install npm package is selected. It comes with the bundle Node.js. If you are not installing npm package, now the particular file has downloaded. So next, how you are going to verify the installation. So here you are going to verify the installation. So which particular version you have been installed by typing the node v. If you want to check the npm package whether you have installed or not, you have to type the npm-v. Before that, what you need to do, you have to make sure that option npm node package manager is selected or not with the bundle node.js. You have to confirm that one in order to check whether it has installed within your system or not. Next, working with the Node.js packages. The power of Node.js is one of the most powerful features. npm is a particular package manager with various libraries you can able to use. What is a node package module? Basically, we have discussed what is npm should be necessarily installed. You have to recheck. Node package module is a packaged library that can be shared, reused, and installed across different projects. There are many modules available in the npm registry for a wide variety of purposes, allowing developers to leverage existing code and speed up development. It is having also creation and community. You can able to create various third-party organizations and individual contributors are going to create different modules, and you also can able to create a module and you can able to upload in the different package. This community is active in providing updating modules to enhance the functionality Node.js. By collaborating, the community ensures Node.js can meet the wide range of developers so that they can able to send some contribution. It is also like open source community where you can able to develop something and you can able to contribute to the community. So next, node package registry, where packages are registered, allows developers to publish their own packages, making them available for others to use. And you can able to go to the website npmjs.com, and you can able to check the any particular registry files are missing, you can able to download, and you can able to check the popular modules and packages also. So now here, if you are going to this particular website npm.js, and you can able to search for the specific package here, and whatever the package you are needed, you can able to search for that particular package. So here we are having a basic steps where you can able to use a node package manager as a tool to install, update, and remove the node.js packages. And you can able to manage the package dependencies in Node.js applications. So first step, initialize a new project, where you are going to type the npm init in order to initialize the packages. You can able to use npm init -y to skip the interactive prompts as a default value. Next, installing the package. If you want to install a package, you can able to select the particular package followed by the package name. You have to use a command npm install. Whatever the package is there, you can go to the particular npm site, and you can able to download the package, whatever the relevant package is necessary for your project, and you can able to download that particular package. By default, dependencies are added to the package.json file. So where your dependencies, you can able to check under the dependency section. Next, if you want to install express, you can able to install the express. If you want to install a Lodash, and you can able to install the Lodash. So based upon your dependency, whatever the things you are using. And if you want to install a development dependency, what you are doing, npm install package, and you are going to save the particular development dependency. You can able to save that one. Next, install all dependencies. If you want to install all the dependencies, you can able to install npm install, which will install the all the dependencies. And if you want to uninstall the package, you can able to use npm uninstall. Previously you have used install, and you are going to uninstall the package name which you doesn't require anymore. And it also removes a package from the node modules and updates the package.json file. Basically, package.js file contains the whatever the packages are installed, and it contains all the dependencies among the packages. If you have uninstalled any package, it will be updated. And if you want to update the package, and you are using a npm update, by using update, you are going to type the package name. If there are any updates and any newer version, things are modified, and you can able to redirect update package. If you want to check the any updates of different packages are installed in your system, then you are going to type the command npm outdated. It also checks any new updates for all the packages you have installed in your system. All the things will be updated. Whatever the updates are released for that particular package you can able to update. Next, publishing a package. If you have successfully built any package and npm publish, which will be publishing the particular package in the npm registry. Next, running the scripts. If you want to run any custom scripted which is defined in the section of package json, and you can able to run the script by npm run followed by the name of the script which you want to run. So here I am going to double click in order to install the Node.js. So now what we are doing, so I am going to click next, and here you are having a end user license agreement. Click accept, click next. So next it is going to ask C drive program files. Click on next, and here you are having all the packages. So click the particular package, and here you can able to click on run Node.js runtime, and here it is going to ask the future automatically install the necessary tools. Note that will be also installed from the Chocolate. Chocolate is a package management tool, so where you can able to use that one. And here if you are going to click from the GitHub, it is going to install whatever the packages are required. Click on next, and here you are going to click the install and click yes to continue. The packages has been added successfully. Press any key to continue. Click on this one and click any key, and it will be taking time in order to continue. And it is going to install the additional tools from the Chocolate, and it is asking the permission for Windows PowerShell. Click yes. Basically it will take some time in order to complete the installation. It is going to show that installation has been failed because it is trying to install the VS Code from the particular Visual Code redistribution engine x86. So finally here it has installed successfully whatever the packages are included, and whatever the packages are upgraded, it is going to show here. Here you can able to see what are the packages are upgraded in the Chocolate. Compatibility extends 1.0, and core extension 1.4, Windows Update extension, and some other versions of the KB. It has successfully installed the Chocolate, and what I am doing, I am going to type exit. So now what I am going to do, I am going to open the command prompt, and here what we have to do, we have to check for the particular version where it has shown the version 22.13.0, which is the latest version which we have installed. Next, if you want to install any packages you can able to use. So now what I am doing, I am going to initialize a new project. So here we are having a basic steps. What is the first one I am going to do? So first step is npm init. It is going to ask the package name. So now what it is going to ask the package. So whatever the package name you want to add, you can able to install the package. For example, I am going to install Express, and I am going to install Lodash. Npm install Express. It will take time. Next, I will open another command prompt, and I am going to type the code. so that your VS Code will be open. Now what I am going to do is I am going to create a new particular project, so that I am going to create a folder, open folder. What I am doing is I am going to save all my files in D drive, and I am going to create a file folder called Node.js programs. Select the particular folder. Now what I am doing, I am going to trust the particular author, so that you can able to create a new file. Now it will be taking time to install whatever the dependencies are there. You can able to install dependency. If you want to install any particular package, you can able to type uninstall, and if you want to update any package, you can able to type update, and you can able to run the script also. Here we are having a first particular script example. What we are going to do is we are going to test the project, and how we are going to test the project. So first one, Node.js program is going to start with the script, and it is going to start with the flower brace and end with the flower brace. Next, if you want to execute the program, you are typing the npm run start and npm run test. And here, if you are going to consider start Node.js app.js, it means it is going to consider whatever the app you are going to start, and with the particular name node app.js. Next, Jest is a particular testing platform where you can able to use the Jest as a for a unit testing. Next, here also we have done the same, and what kind of pack we are using? Webpack, and we are initializing by using a ESL init. ESL int we are going to initialize, and you are going to deploy whatever the deployment path is there. Based upon that, you are going to deploy the path. Here ESL int used to check the code issues in your application, where run build is going to run the webpack to the your application. Next, run deploy combines the build deployment commands. Next, global installation, where you can able to install the globally a specific package name, and if you want to install any specific package node1, you can able to install that particular package. npm v, before installation we have checked npm v of the version which it is displayed by the Node.js, and here we are having a different options and examples. For searching, you can able to use a npm search express, and if you want to install, you can able to install different things, and if you want to uninstall a specific module, you can able to use a zip file. TZ stands for a particular tape archive zip file. So next, here you are going to use a install express specific version. If you want to install, you can use, and if you want to remove, you can able to remove the express, and if you want to pack a specific package npm pack, and you can able to view the express, and if you want to publish npm publish, and if you want to unpublish npm unpublish my module. If you want to add a owner, so you can able to add owner name is Pradeep and followed by my module. Next, if you want to remove the owner, and you can able to remove the owner by using a npm remove rm stands for remove name of the owner Pradeep my module. Next, list of owners npm is my module, which is going to list who are the owners are there, that will be listed. How to start the Node.js first application? The first one, you are going to import the required modules, create a server of a particular page, and you are going to handle the request and responses of the particular page. So now what you need? So you need to require a constant HTTP protocol. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, where it is going to run in your web browser. And next, you have to create a web server, and here we are using a constant server HTTP create So whatever the request sent by the client, it has to send the response from the server. Now here we are having a different write head 200 and the content type is plain HTML, text or HTML or text or plain. So next we are going to type the particular message result.end welcome to Node.js. Whenever you are going to run the particular thing, it has to display the message welcome to Node.js. Next, starting the server. If you want to start the server, so it has to, already a particular port number was given 3000, listen 3000 comma. So here we are using a arrow functions, arrow or implication function as we have seen in the JavaScript, and here we are going to type the HTTP localhost server port number localhost 3000. So where you can able to start the particular server and the particular port 3000. So here we are having a different type of response. 200 is the particular response code which we have given, and server will be listening from the particular port 3000 where it is going to give the particular response. Server is running in the particular host 3000. So that is the console.log message which one will be shown. Next, how to run the application. If you want to run the application, save the code by the file name app.js. So you have to save the particular file name app.js where you are going to open the terminal in the window, run the particular application bash, and here you are going to type the node app.js. And what we are going to save this particular code, the particular code should be saved in the file name app.js so that this particular code will be executed. And what message it has to show, welcome to Node.js. So here you can able to save this particular file app.js file, and if you are going to D drive, so now it has saved in the JavaScript file. The name of the extension is .js. Now what I am doing, I am going to get the terminal. So here I am going to get the new terminal, and here you can able to get the PowerShell if you want, and otherwise you can able to use that one. Now in PowerShell we have used the particular Node.js program. So what is the command if you want to run the web application? App.js you have saved, and now you are going to type the code node app.js, and you are going to execute the particular code. So now what it is showing, it is going to run the localhost and it is going to run in the particular port 3000. 3000 is the port number which we have given. So now it is going to show server is running. Now it has opened your particular application program. Welcome to your first Node.js application. This is all about Node.js installation and how to run your first application program by using a Node.js. Thank you.